Okay, so this is math club, and my students, this is our very first session, so we don't have that many students. This is actually all we have, but we decided to start our coding class today, and so as a practice, we started with the Flappy Bird one, and I don't know if you can see it on their screens. Students are going through steps 1 through 10, and in the end, they create their own game. So I have Sean over here who has completed his programming for his Flappy Bird game. He's playing it right now. I don't know if you can see. Let me just go closer to his screen. Okay, so Sean, I know you're playing, but try and explain how you coded your game. Maybe you should die first, so you can point to your programs and explain to me how you programmed it.
Okay, so when it runs, I give it more of a sci-fi theme, so player's a spaceship and the background is all techie and stuff.
Okay, that's cool.
When you score a point, instead of scoring 1 point, you score 5 now.
Oh.
And then, as usual, in the game when you fall, the sound is jet and you flap normal and you click it.
Okay, so why do you think your game is better than the original Flappy Bird that was out?
My game is easy to fly through the hole.
Okay, alright, cool. Thanks. Thanks for sharing. So we have somebody else who's already done. Sarah is done. And so, okay, she already died. So that's good because I want her to explain to me how she programmed her. So I'm going to just move your screen a little bit just here so it will show. Okay, so if you could just explain, how did you program your game?
Well, I programmed it so when it flaps, it makes a laser sound, and every time you start a new game, it has a different character and different background.
Oh, so your Flappy Bird is not always a bird, it changes?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
And if it hits the ground, that's when it loses. But when it hits an obstacle, your score goes back to 0.
Oh, so you don't die, you just get a 0 point.
It changes the pillars.
It changes the pillars?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's really cool. Okay. Wow, thank you for sharing. So, this is code.org. We're trying the hour of code in Math Club. We're going to go ahead and learn more about coding in days to come. We would highly encourage you to join. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to participate. All right. So, guys, let's just go ahead and say thank you, code.org. Ready, go.
Thank you, code.org.